this is Sven. You may remember me from videos such as Playing with a Creo Enterprise and AutoAssembly 2001 quiz questions you probably can't hear. This video is for AutoAssembly 2013, kind of preamble-y, going into the hopes and fears in response to the various plethora of videos that are already on YouTube, and especially the ones from Timey to Wimey, Cobra Commander, and Benscollectables. Hi guys. Right, well, AutoAssembly 2013. Hope you're all looking forward to it. Hopes and fears for 2013. Well, don't really have any fears. Been there, done that, and more fears than you could possibly imagine. I've been at every AutoAssembly but one since the first one in 2000. So veteran probably is an appropriate term. Only missed 2009 because of various health, family, work reasons, shall we say. 2010 and 2011 I was an attendee, and I got back on to being a dealer in 2012. So I'm back again. Company's now more set up, called Geek Station. Probably come across me at some point in the last few months. So, hopes and fears for the event. Well, I haven't really got, as I said, no real fears. Hopes that I have more energy, because last year most of the evenings I was totally zonked out. Hoping to make it to the Thursday night this year for maybe an hour or so. Bring a gift for the Secret Santa event. That'd be quite cool. Might actually be able to relax for a bit before the event. Try and catch up with a few people. But the event itself, right, suggestions. The first thing I'm going to say is money. Be careful. One thing, the only thing that can stand in your way of having a really good time is your cash flow. So, the first thing you need to do is put the money to one side to pay for the hotel bill and food and drink. Okay? Do that as a priority. If the hotel will allow you to pay for the room up front, do so. Whichever way you need to do it, so you're going to have to worry about it, because that is rather important, as you can imagine. There has been occasions, not only at AutoAssembly, but at various Star Trek events and other events I've been at, and on the Sunday afternoon people have been running around wondering what the hell they're supposed to do because they spent too much money in a dealer's room. So be careful. Feel free to spread your money around in the dealer's room, especially in my general direction. Yeah, just make sure you've got enough to sort out your requirements, shall we say. Another thing that's paramount is personal hygiene. It's not a particularly nice subject to go into, but what I would suggest is 3 or 4 t-shirts a day. That sounds crazy, I know, but it gets awfully warm in these event halls. You have got a potential of 1,000 people kicking around, especially if you add in the hotel staff. So if the weather's anything like it is at the moment here in the UK, which is ridiculously hot and it's warmer than Florida, which is like okay after the wettest and coldest spring we've ever had, according to records. And yeah, so 3 or 4 t-shirts, plenty of deodorant, used as appropriately as possible. You don't want to be walking around smelling like an actual can of the stuff, but yes, Old Spice, whatever you need. Just don't smell like a monster. What else? Pace yourself. It is not worth running around. It's going to be hot, it's going to be stuffy. Even with the air conditioning or fans or whatever on, your energy is going to get zapped if you're not careful. So keep yourself hydrated. and just don't get too what's the word I'm looking for? Hyper, I suppose. Look around. Look for those holy grails that you could possibly pick up. It's a one of a kind event here in the UK. After all, you won't see this many toys and Transformers toys and like in one space again in the UK for another year. And have fun, meet people, greet people. Don't be afraid of saying hi to anybody and everybody. And don't let the little things like not remembering everybody's name get in your way, because we've all got Swiss cheese memory sometimes. We all forget faces and names and like I know possibly the worst candidate for remembering anything due to issues I have. So that's an apology as well, actually, to everybody. If you come up and you speak to me and I cannot remember who you are, I apologise. I cannot recall an awful lot of memories due to various issues. Do ask me in person if you'd like to know why. It's not a problem to talk about it. What else? Ooh. Swerves. Make the most of it. I say that because there was a convention we ran in 1997 where we sorted food out and the hotel went because nobody went near it, and it was reasonably priced as well. With swerves, please take advantage of it as much as you can, because this is the Hilton we're talking about, so your usual prices in there will be aimed at the executive, the executives with an expenses account to burn through. So the fact that there are reduced prices available from Swerve is a massive advantage for us, for all of us going to the event. So do take advantage of it. And the more that they sell, the more likely it is to come back and possibly be a better Swerves next year. Though if I call it macadams at some point, please forgive me. With a little twist of radio. So yes, take advantage of that, because next year is a big 2014 30th anniversary. We can enjoy the vast majority of what we enjoy from the 30 years of Transformers. Obviously for me it's G1, as most of you know, I would imagine, who are watching this. But it's a biggie. Toys you might want to pick up. I'm not the most eclectic of Transformers collectors anymore, having been reducing myself down to G1 masterpieces and sort of like the classics, generations, especially for the Cybertron stuff. Being a bit of a gamer. Some of you may be aware I used to work for Game Station as a store manager. So I was really pushing on for the Cybertron and then didn't have a job anymore just before it came out, which was slightly annoying. Yeah, for the Cybertron stuff, that's the kind of thing I'm going to be after. I've already got a few things I'm picking up from people I've already spoken to. Metroplex. I do hope some Metroplex is on sale. Because we're not quite sure when they're going to hit the UK through Toys R Us, but and how many we're going to get, because knowing our luck, we'll probably get about 300 for the entire country. And they'll sit in Toys R Us warehouse for months on end before we actually put them out on sale. I would imagine quite a few of you are going to be after Creo in its various guises, especially the micro changer. It seems to sell like crazy. But yes, constructor pods. I'm just hoping the constructor pods have reached us by that point, because those will be fantastic by the looks of them. Anyway, that's enough of me droning on. This is Sven signing off, and I hope to see you all at Auto Assembly 2013 and 2014, and being that I'm booked in until the end of time with every other Auto Assembly afterwards. So yeah, come and say hi. Take care now. Bye.